Hey, what's good? Prash here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit special. We're going to be performing a bend test on the Motorola Razr V3, a phone that is an absolute icon. I mean, just look at the styling. This thing looks incredible. The design has held up incredibly well over 2 decades later. And I will say, this phone in particular has aged pretty well. There's no obvious signs of wear and tear. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Now, I'm a huge fan of Jerry Rig Everything, and he's pretty famous for his bend tests, so I thought I'd give it a go with the Razr V3, although I feel like it'll be more of a snap test with this thing open. But yeah, let's get into it. And I will say this, that I am rooting for this phone. I have high hopes for it. I mean, this thing is an icon that has stood the test of time, so let's see if it'll be able to stand a bend test, or a snap test. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the phone open and on. Let's just go through the menu real quick. And yeah, everything seems to be working just fine. Alright, now it's time for the moment of truth, what we've all been waiting for. Let's get on to the bend test. And I will say, I am rooting for this phone. I mean, this is arguably one of the greatest phones ever made. And so it should definitely have no problem passing a silly old bend/snap test. Because, come on, this is Motorola we're talking about. This is pure quality, pure nostalgia. I'm sure it's going to do great. Let's get into it. Alright, seems pretty good. Yeah, this is too easy for this phone. I mean, this is great. Well, my disappointment is immeasurable, and my day has been ruined. Well, I guess it looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you guys and girls in the next one. I think I'm going to take a break from doing these bend tests indefinitely.